फलक को जिद है जहां बिजलियां गिराने की, हमें भी जिद है वहीं आशियां बनाने की। नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। मेरा नाम है आयशा गनी एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू बी वेलकमिंग यू ऑल टू दिस फैबुलस इवनिंग ब्रिजस्टोन न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च। आप सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। वी थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ आवर हार्ट्स फॉर बीइंग एंड फॉर जॉइनिंग अस टुडे इन आवर जर्नी. I always feel so honored and privileged to be standing on the stage of Bridgestone, ladies and gentlemen. It's because we are #1 tire manufacturing company in the entire world. 11 वर्षों से लगातार. It has been 20 years in the country and over 90 years around the globe. 20 सालों का साथ, 20 सालों का विश्वास, 20 years of trust and togetherness, 20 years of dedication and passion, 20 years of excellence, and it has only been possible because of the consistent support of all our dealers around the country. हमें ये बताते हुए बहुत खुशी हो रही है that we are a strong joint family of Bridgestone of 3,000 dealers across the country. And the moment that we all have been waiting for is right here. Yes, it is the time that we are going to start with our grand launch to embark on this new journey. Let us begin with the grand launch now. So ladies and gentlemen, here comes the moment of truth, the moment of action. Can we now have the launch pads on the stage, please? All right, on my countdown now. And can we all do this together now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go extra!
Didn't even get to cross.
Wow, what a spectacular performance that was. I'm impressed. Well, I'm very excited and I'm sure all our viewers who are watching us right now are equally as excited as me to know more about this new revolutionary product, the V-Steel Mix M721. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to include some excitement into this evening, I have a very special person whom I am going to call up here on the stage with some great news. Please put your hands together for a virtual round of applause for Head Marketing Commercial Business, Mr. Tushar Bansode. Tushar, how
Hello,
are you
Aisha.
doing?
Hi. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well.
Great.
We have been told that there is something very exciting that you're going to reveal. What is that?
Yes. So thank you so much. The evening has went really well. And hello everyone. Good evening. Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Walaikum.
Let us kick this forward. Thank you so much, Tushar, for creating this, revving up this evening with your exciting news. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wow, so wasn't that some really heartening, really exciting news? I am sure all of you are looking forward to this fantastic evening and also a lot of rewards that are going to follow up after this. और इसी के साथ बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सभी का हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. मेरा नाम है आयशा गनी and I have had a great time to be a host for Bridgestone. It's always a pleasure. Thank you so much for being by our side. Thank you so much for being that consistent support that you always are. And as we know, we are not going to settle for the ordinary. We are going to go extra. Thank you.